Before the changes, my classroom makes me feel hyper with all the bright colours around me. Now that it has been changed, it makes me feel calm and relaxed and more ready to learn. I like coming to school a lot more now. I prefer the book nook now because it's cozy and warm.
And what have we added into our book nook, Sean?
A rug and a leaf over the top.
And how does that make you feel?
Happy, safe.
And safe? Fantastic. And do you go into the book nook on your own or with friends?
With both because it's a quiet, nice place.